Welcome to my channel, everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make these stuffed biscuits. It can be a breakfast item. I hope everyone is having a good day. So let's get this party started. So in my skillet you see I'm spraying some olive oil and I'm putting some turkey bacon in, and that's going to be part of our stuffing for our biscuit. And you see I'm just turning them so that they be evenly browned throughout the process and not too dark on each side. So there you see I'm flipping that as well. So now we're going to be doing our eggs while the turkey bacon browns, and I'm using 3 eggs and I'm whisking it, and then I'm going to be adding some almond milk, and then we'll set that aside and we'll check our turkey bacon once again, and then we will get back to our eggs. So there you see I've added some garlic powder, onion powder, creole seasoning or all-purpose, and some black pepper. You can add whatever you like. And so once we're done with that, the bacon is finished, so we have removed those, and then we're going to break them in crumb. So now we're going to get into making the egg, and I've added some Kerrygold garlic butter, and my flame is on medium heat, and I'm going to add our egg mixture that we were preparing while the bacon was being done. So there you see I'm making some scrambled eggs, so I'm moving around everything in the pot. If you like what you see here, be sure to subscribe, follow, turn on that notification button so you do not miss any of our videos, because we truly appreciate you for watching our videos. So there you see the eggs have been completed and our stuffing is coming together. So here is all the ingredients that we're going to be using in our stuffed biscuits. So there you see I've opened my biscuit and we're just going to press those out. Just spread it out. You can use whatever filling you'd like in yours. There I'm using some tomato paste or sauce, and then I put my salami, the bacon that I've crushed, some mozzarella cheese, and then the egg. And I'm just going to be rolling those into a ball and putting them in a greased skillet. You can preheat your oven for 10 minutes or so, depending on your oven type, at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or a little bit less would also work, maybe 325. And you're going to be baking your biscuits for 15 to 20 minutes. You check it in between just to make sure that your biscuit is done before you take it out the ovens, because you know all our ovens are different. So there you see I'm showing you it once again. And another time. So now you see I'm putting them in my grease skillet to bake, and then I'm going to be using some of that same garlic butter I've melted in the microwave for about 10 seconds, and then we're just going to baste those and bake them in our preheated oven at 325 to 350 Fahrenheit for maybe 20 to 25 minutes depending on your oven. there is our finished product. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.